Hello everyone, I'm Colin Zanbabazi, who will be taking you through Python programming. We start with the beginner level, intermediate level, and the advanced level. For today, we are going to do to see how we can install an IDE, which is in full code and integrated development software for building applications. An IDE combines common developer tools into a single graphical user interface. It also consists source code, local build automation, a debugger, and some of the examples of IDEs we have Atom, PyCharm, Sublime, Visual Studio Code, and many more. So I'm going to show you how to install an IDE. You open your web browser, then you can, I'll be using PyCharm, you can just enter PyCharm and then enter. You can select the Python IDE for professional developers, then click on download. Then we shall use a community version which is for pure Python development. We shall download a free build and an open source, meaning no costs will be needed. You will download and then thank you for downloading PyCharm and has started downloading. Me, I already have it already installed, so I want to continue with that one, but after downloading you will have to install it. Then after, you can download Python, which I'll be taking you through in today's lecture. As I have searched for PyCharm, we shall do the same for Python. Welcome to python.org. You use the first link that is given to you. Then you go downloads and install for Windows. Currently, the current version is 3.10.1.6. More versions will be released as time goes on. Python, I have installed it already, so I'll just open my IDE, which is PyCharm, and we start running the code. We build our first Python program. Python is an easy language to study, and it's used by many large companies like NASA, Google, YouTube, and very many more. When you're installing Python, don't forget to add it to path, such that we can use more of its libraries, like pip, which is used to install more libraries and modules onto our IDE. As you see, PyCharm is opening and it is loading a Python project which I am already working on. Let us give it time to open. Python is an object-oriented programming language which was created by a man called Guido in 1989. It has interfaces to many OS systems and libraries. It is extensible to C and C++. After you have installed the Python program, it is still working upon the IDE is still opening. You come here to Python project, you right click, it is opening. Then we shall go to new. Then we choose a Python file. Then we shall enter. We shall print our first. We shall write our first program, which will be hello world in this case. So we just say, maybe I have to name the Python file. Let me call it hello _w.py, which is the Python extension. So then we just, to print something onto the cursor, we just use a print syntax. We say print, then open the parentheses, and then use strings, and then we can say hello world. Then we shall come here on the run, go to run, and then choose your program name. In this case I'm using hello /_w, and as you are seeing, it has printed hello world onto the cursor. That is our first program in Python. Thanks for being with me. Next time we shall go for other things like Python print functions, Python variables, data structures, and many more. Thanks for being with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.